Alright y'all, so right here, there's the bushing right here, and there's a bushing that goes right here. And to take this off, there's a nut right here, there's a nut right here. For me it was a 13 millimeter. This is for the sway bar right here. We're putting this one on. That's the Eibach one. And then, so pretty much now it's loose. And then now you take the bottom right here, take this off. This is a 5 Allen wrench. And I believe this is 17. And then you do the same thing on this side. Take this off right here. I already took the bushings off, but it's pretty simple. They're all right here. These are the old bushings. Right here, see, it'll just be two of them. And these are the new ones. Brand new. Boom, now I took that off. I just left the nut on there. Yeah, this is a 17. Again, these were 13. These are the tools I use right here. 17 wrench. These ratcheting one is the best one. A little easier for you. Size 5. You don't really have to use an extension if you have the 13 long socket. But it's just in case, the rubber might get in the way. So now, I don't have the wheels off. The wheels are still on. I don't know. This whole thing is basically loose now. This whole thing is loose. So I'm going to see if I have to take the wheel off or not. But I'm going to try to do it without taking them off. But if I do, I'll let y'all know. Alright, as a quick update. So we already took all this off. We do have to take the wheels off. Took both sides off. And now I believe what we have to do is lower the subframe, because this, and like any way you put it, no, any way you put it gets stuck. And I think this just has to go a little lower and they'll be able to slide out. So that's the point we're getting to right now. I'll keep you all updated. So I should have took a video of the rear installation, but the rear installation is way easier. You don't have to remove anything. You literally take these bushings out and unscrew the top of the sway bar right here. Same thing on this side. Bushing. This is just one bolt. And then there's this. And it slides right out. Also, I did forget to say, when you're taking the rear sway bar link out, you do have to remove the wheels so that it slides all the way out. Because it won't if you don't take the wheel out. Whether it's this side or this side, it don't matter. Yeah, you gotta take the wheel off. So, assemble these on both sides. One right here. The other one right here. Goes like that. And for these bolts, this bolt they go right there. They're right here. They look like this. This one is an 18 and this one was a 16. Alright y'all, so now we have to take this arm right here off. It goes right here in this area so that this could slide back and forth. Let me see what else. We had to take the idler arm off right here. We had to turn the wheels. Same thing. I'm probably gonna have to do the same thing on this side, and I'm gonna have to take some bolts off. We took a bolt off right here, took a bolt right here on the subframe. Same thing on this side. Took this bolt off, and we're supporting the engine right here. So it's a little more than I thought. So we're gonna see if we can make this happen. The bolt right here, this is where this arm goes. This arm right here. So, and then these bolts right here for the engine mount. There's one right there. Let me see, one right there. And there's another one right here. It's kind of dark, but there's one right there. And then let's see. Same thing on the other side. Yep, boom, one right here. And then there's another right there. So yeah, that looks like this came off too. There's the move. So it's a process. Oh, and I missed another bolt. There's a bolt that goes right up in here. And you can see that it comes off. That's part of the subframe. So on the subframe, it's just this bolt and this bolt right here. And the same thing on this side. That bolt right there. And then, yeah, y'all can see there's one in there, so we gotta take that one out. And that's all we did for the subframe so far. Alright, y'all, so we finally got this thing in here. Finally. So everything that you seen that we unloosened, we like unbolted and stuff, that's all you have to unbolt. And then basically it's the subframe just has to come down low enough to get this out. Like this will slide all the way out. We didn't unbolt this one. We didn't have to, but we slid it out this way. And there's the other one. So freaking finally got this in. Hassle, it's a lot more than we thought. And then you just tighten everything back up, all the bolts, subframe, all that, and then everything should be good.